Hi, welcome to this video. I hope that you're doing fine. This video is sponsored by Elohim Solutions. Much about Elohim Solutions later in the video. The Ministry of Education has announced that grade 10 school placement has been rolled out. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can be able to access the portal and see where your child has been placed. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first thing to do is to visit this link. I will leave it in the description. So when you visit the link, here is how the website looks like. Grade 10 school placement, your path, your school, your future, and there's some few information over here. And yeah, generally this is how it looks like. Now you are supposed to click on Get Started to create an account, or click on Placement Results to view results, or click on Download Letter to download the joining letter. Now at the moment when you click this, it doesn't load, okay? It's just because this website is not yet active. So they have placed the very students in various schools, but the website is not responsive. When you click on any of the buttons over here, it doesn't work, okay? Let's try click on login. When you click on login, it still brings you to the home page. When you click on, for example, visit selection platform, it goes nowhere. When you click on placement results, it goes nowhere. Now, let me interrupt you and bring to you the sponsor of today's video.
Hello, this is Madeko Marvin from Elohim Solutions. Elohim Solutions is a Christian-centered business, and we are offering sound system. If you need a wall sound system for your event, you can have a wedding, you can be having a funeral, you just have a party. Here we have to sort you out. We're offering serious sound system. You can see we have two bass speakers, four mid ranges. Then we have a monitor here. We have a very beautiful mixer here, 12 channel. We have a very serious power amp, crossovers, keyboard. We're also offering tents, seats, and also you do logistics. You also want to brand your event. We can do your serious branding and make sure the event looks like you. So when you want any of these services for your event, call it anything event. You want vehicles, you want tents, seats, decoration, everything. Just hit on us on 0703506489. And here we are here to sort you everything. Call it. Just tell us what your budget is. Tell us how much money, how many guests you are having, then let us run everything as you sit down and watch everything run. Elohim Solution for you. We are approved men that doesn't need any reproach. Call us, give us the event, let us show this. Thank you.
All right, so guys, you see, the website is not responsive, and when it becomes responsive, I'll create a complete tutorial on how to check this step by step. Or you can always visit this link, which I said I will leave in the description, and check for yourself when the website will become active. At the moment, the website is not functioning. It's only the home page that is designed, and we do not have much to do as of now. Otherwise, I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be forwarded to more people who are searching about this topic. Otherwise, I want you to click, I think is on the right side of your screen to watch our next video, and I'm very sure I'll see you in that video. Peace.